Here's a look at your receivables or debtor dashboard on SelGence. Please note that, on SelGence, there are two types of debtor dashboards. The first is for debtors who purchase products and have not fully paid for them. The second is for debtors whose debts are not linked to any product purchases. We call these receivables. Now let's focus on debts not linked to any product purchases, which we call receivables. To create a receivables record, please go to your profile page, then to the Receivables Dashboard section. Now, you may click on Create Receivables Record to create. Great. Now, on your receivables dashboard, you can see your outstanding receivables. This is the total money you are still being owed after deduction of installments. Then, we see installments paid by all debtors. There is a button below the charts which you can click in order to create an installment record. We also see the initial value of your debts before deduction of installments. The percentage paid overall by all debtors. There are 3 charts on this page. One is a debt chart breakdown that shows amount unpaid, amount paid and total debt. The second chart shows your top 5 receivables or debts by amount. The last chart shows your top 5 debts based on their due dates arranged by the earliest due date as long as it is not yet due. To update the due date, you may click on the Edit button to change the date due field. If a debt is already due or it falls on the current day, it will not show up on this chart. You are the one to provide the due date on the form while creating the record. Below your charts is the receivables or debt table with details of the receivables records you have created that contributed to this debt. Please note that the figures shown here are an aggregated value. This means that if you are a superior having direct reports, your figures are a sum of all receivables records created by you and your direct reports. You may click on the Installment Payment button to create and track a payment schedule for each receivable. There is a form provided for you to create installments made by the customer. When you create an installment payment, this is deducted from the debt owed by a debtor and the overall debt owed by all debtors. On the receivables table, you may change column arrangement, filter by searching for parts of any displayed text, change the number of records displayed on one page, print, save as PDF, export as Microsoft Excel or CSV format. When a payment is due, you would get an alert for the record. Now, that's our look at the receivables dashboard. SelGence. Add intelligence to your business.